name's Martin Gisheru from TechWiz. We're here at Nokia World. I'm here looking at new accessories that Nokia has announced today. So, what do you have today?
Okay, I have here with me the Nokia Protective Cover CP623. This is a cover for the newly announced Lumia 1520. It's a flip-on cover, so you put it on the phone, and it gives you protection from both sides. And what's fun about this cover is that it can also double up as a stand. So we believe that 1520, a lot of people will be using it to watch videos and consume a lot of content, and this cover gives them a great viewing angle with this one. It comes in 4 colors. We have red and yellow and gray/white plus black. So this is a 1520 cover, CP623. And then I have here with me a portable wireless charging plate. So we have done a lot of work in the wireless charging area, and this year we brought portability to the wireless charging plate. So this is the DC50. The fun thing about this is that you can charge it wirelessly, and then also you can charge your phone wirelessly with it. So it comes with an integrated transmitter and a receiver. So it makes charging fun and easy. Just put it on a surface and then put your phone on it, and the phone starts to charge. So you will notice that the phone is charging now. We are doing a lot of colors in this. There are 4 colors. There's cyan, red, yellow and white. So 4 colors for DC50. And this is here then the indicator which tells you how much battery is left. So when you want to see how much battery is left in the charger, you can press here and then it shows you how much battery there is. And once you start to charge, then this light turns on, so it can show you there as well. So this is what we have here today. We also have a lot of other accessories which we've launched recently. There is this headset called Polar Boom. We have worked with a Swedish company called Sound Industries, and these are co-branded with them. Very affordable. So this boom comes for 27 euros, and great audio, and of course very comfortable. And then we have a couple of power packs or power solutions. This is DC18. This is a portable power pack. So you need to just take out this wire, put it in your phone, and the phone charges. And then here you can see it indicates again how much power is left in the charger. Priced at 19 euros. So this one is great when you're like out somewhere and you're on a very important phone call and your battery is about to die. So this gives you that extra boost so that you can finish your call. Then we have
How many milliamperes would it be?
This is about 1100. Actually 800. Sorry.
800.
And then we have DC19, another portable charger, USB universal charger. Again, simple, just plug it into your any USB device and then it starts to charge. I can show it to you again here. So if I put it in my 1520, and the device will start to charge immediately.
Sure.
Again, there is indicator here, the lights, and so you can see from here how much power is left in the charger, and then you can charge it and use it again.
Okay, cool. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you.